Hi guys, I am Punya Agarwal, ACC affiliate, co-founder of Being ACC. This is a quick video that I'm making for all the AA people, all the AA warriors that were probably, unfortunately, not able to clear their March attempt. I'm receiving a lot of messages from you people that you have failed at 41, 42, 49, 48, etc. So I really wanted to make a dedicated video for you people specifically who failed in AA and are not able to navigate now as to what should they do. Okay, so now if you are somebody who lies in the bracket which is below 45, so be it 40s, be it 30s, whatever, so I would say that your biggest mistake is conceptual clarity. Okay, if you have scored below 45, below 30 even, or below 40 even, you are somebody who is not really confident in the concepts. Now concepts ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि सब में आपके problem थी. Probably one of the concept was not very strong and that is the reason that this has happened. Okay, in AA we have very few big concepts. We have planning, risk assessment, we have internal control, substantive procedures, review reporting, and then we have the smaller ones that comes in section A, right? Your biggest thing that you should look after is कि कहाँ पे गलती रह गई, कहाँ पे which topic were you not able to understand probably, because कभी कभार ऐसा हो सकता है कि probably you were not able to understand substantive procedures first and now then you left it behind, या फिर आपने ऊपर से कर लिया, did not do it that well, and that was the reason that you were not able to score good in AA. So identification, the first step is identification of the problem. Okay, where did you make your mistake in, कहाँ पे गलती रह गई, कौन सा टॉपिक ऐसा था जो आपको अच्छे से समझ नहीं आया, that is the problem. Okay, so now what to do next is concepts पे ध्यान दो. If you took classes from somewhere, if you had a tutor, ask them to provide you the lectures, or if you did self study, there was no mentor, nothing. If for example your tutor is also not able to help you or not helping you, whatever is the case scenario, you yourself only have to help yourself, right? So YouTube पे जाओ, go on YouTube, watch videos of these all topics which you were not very confident in. You can refer to some crash courses or those sort of things as well, because they really help you with the conceptual clarity as well, right? So I was also thinking of having a crash course, but I'm not really sure. You people let me know if you want me to have a crash course for June attempt. But nonetheless, crash course is a very good idea that you can go ahead with. But if you are somebody who does not want to invest money now, you can go to YouTube. बहुत सारे resources हैं, please watch videos. जब तक एक कॉन्सेप्ट 110% तक आपसे क्लियर ना हो जाए, आपको यू शुड बी एबल टू understand your concepts in such a way that you're able to explain it to somebody who's noob, who does not know, who is a small kid. Okay, इतने अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट को आपको समझ आना चाहिए. If that is the case scenario, nobody can stop you from scoring very good marks in AA or in any of the subjects, right? So that should be your first course of action. Second thing is practice. AA, AAA are subjective papers. अगर आपने, if you have not done written practice of these papers, you cannot expect to score in 50s, more than 50, etc. You have to do a lot of written practice. अगर आपने you've only done one question written practice, 2 question, या एक ही मॉक करा and you think कि हो जाएगा, नहीं होता है. Okay, I have personal experience for more than 4 years now and I know it कि नहीं होता है. तुक्के से कभी कभार किसी का हो जाए, but if you are a person who is dedicated, dedication, consistency should never go from you. You have to be dedicated. You cannot take any paper lightly. Okay, so please do a lot of written practice. And AA and AAA are such papers which require mentorship. I'm not promoting myself or something, it's not that, but genuinely from a mentor to a student, I'm telling you, even if you do not take anything from me, I also have a lot of free resources, right? But AA and AAA are subjective papers. They're 70%, AA 70% subjective, AAA is 100% subjective, right? If you're writing something, right? If you wrote an answer, if you wrote a substantive procedure, or if you wrote, because it is case study based, right? If you wrote a risk, okay? Of course you can go to the answers, you can check कि अच्छा plant and machinery का risk था या फिर IS 38 का risk था, etc. But जैसे आपने लिखा है, the way that you have written, can the kid answer, the examiner answer, tell you if it is correct or no? बिकॉज यहाँ पे बायसनेस कम्स. इफ इट इज अ प्रैक्टिकल पेपर, अगर आपका आंसर 20 है, आपका आंसर मैच कर रहा है, यू आर गुड टू गो. आपको देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, किसी मेंटोर से पूछने की जरूरत नहीं कि वो सही है कि नहीं, बिकॉज आपका मैच कर रहा है आंसर. बट यहाँ पे your answer cannot match to the examiner answer. That's 100% there, right? So I would again insist you to always, even if you have not taken any classes, even if you have not taken any crash courses, nothing, you're doing self study, still refer to a mentor just for the correction of your scripts, just for correction of your mock, so that at least अगर आपका कुछ conceptual clarity में दिक्कत होगी, they will tell you. If there would be some writing problem, they will tell you. They will be able to help you in time management also. There are a lot of people who do it. I'm not really sure a lot, but some of them do. I myself also do. So I provide AA test series at Being SSCA. Have been doing this from last 3 years, 2.5, 3 years approximately. Have received very good response, because again it is a subjective paper. You can go to Instagram, like if you do not trust my words, you can go to Instagram, you can check out the testimonials, etc. But not to promote anything, but just I'm telling you from a mentor to a student that it is important, it is what it is. So to focus upon that. So conceptual clarity, first thing. Second thing, practice as much as you can. Watch YouTube videos. Even I post like on YouTube question solving videos, so aap dekho how you can also refer to other videos. There are a lot of tutors who actually post like past paper webinars or something on those lines. So watch them, because then only you'll be able to understand, okay, this mentor, this tutor is doing like this, aise solve kar rahe hain, I also need to solve like this, right? So it will really help you out in that way. Okay, so this is for the people who scored below 45. For the people who scored above 45, the only thing that you lacked, I know 48 49 is a very disheartening score, very very close. I'm telling subah se main sabko ye bol rahi hu ki it is very very close. But again, do not dishearten. Jitna disheartening hoga, because ultimately you have to clear the paper, right? It's okay, today aaj result aaya hai, let that sink in. Start fresh from tomorrow. Okay, start from tomorrow. Start with your preparation. Practice. 45 above people need practice, just the practice. सिर्फ practice करोगे हो जाएगा, that's all. Written practice. Don't just see the question, don't just see the answer, don't just see the case study, don't just see the videos. You also need to do your own practice. I have a video wherein I've told top 20 essential questions. Please refer to those. Those are very very important. Plus your past papers also, they're important for your AA and AAA paper. Okay, so this is the course of action. एक मैंने just दे दिया कि क्या क्या कर सकते हो. Now how to move ahead, कैसे move ahead forward करा जाए. If you're already preparing for another paper, depends guys, depends. A lot of people are asking me that I am already preparing for FM, I failed in AA, what to do. So again, I would say that if depends upon the syllabus completion. If you have done 60-70% of the syllabus of the previous paper, साथ में कर लो दोनों पेपर को. Do these two papers together, it will be very good for you. But if you say me that no, I am only done with 20-30-40% of the syllabus of the previous paper, then rethink. क्या आपको AA के साथ वापस जाना है, या आपको FM या PM whatever the next paper is उसके साथ जाना है, वो आपका कॉल है. That I cannot of course tell you. So again, do your thinking. एक पैटर्न, एक प्लानर अपने लिए बना लो कि ओके दिस इज व्हाट इज आई एम गोइंग टू डू, this is what is going to happen. Write down the points and focus upon that. Focus, dedication, hard work, these three are really important, and consistency. अगर ये चार चीजें आपने अपने अंदर inculcate कर लिया, I don't think anybody can stop you from scoring very good marks and even clearing ASSA, right? So this was all from my side. At the last, I would just say that just be focused towards the paper. It's all right if you were not able to pass. होता है, everybody has their own journey. Somebody scores very good in the first instance, then faces issues later on. Somebody faces issues first and then enjoys life later on, right? So it is part and parcel of your journey. Enjoy and do not take it to the heart that I am a failure. You're not a failure, guys. You're not failure at all. You are strong enough to get back stronger for the next attempt, and it's just 1.5 months away, right? So if you people need any help, any mentorship, anything in regards to AA and AAA, I am always here on WhatsApp, on Instagram, anything. You can join my test series also if you want, because I provide my 100% to the students, even if I'm not taking your full classes. It is next to, I would say next to classes only, but of course a shorter version of it. So even if you do not take any classes, any mentorship, any test series from me, I am still available for you people. You can message me कि मैम ये दिक्कत आ रही है, please help out. Of course I will help out with the best capacity of mine, right? So all the best. Do not get disheartened, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Do let me know if you have any more questions.